Hey guys, welcome to our video on revising main ideas for extreme hotels. I'm going to go through my quick example so we know what to do when we get to ours as well. So, today we will be editing our day one main ideas of extreme hotels from this past Monday. Make sure to reread the CFS before beginning. Yes, I remembered on Monday I wrote a main idea for extreme hotels. I really liked that text. I thought it was super cool. And I would like to stay in probably the desert one, but I'm not sure. So CFS for main ideas. We know that every time we write the main idea of a text, it always should be accurate. So it should include the topic and what I learned about it. Contextualized, so it should have evidence directly from the text to support what I'm saying. And it should include the deepest meaning about the text. So if it's an informational text, it should be the author's point of view. Let's see what I did. So this is me, my main idea. I said, in the red, this text is all about many different exotic hotels we could go visit. The author thinks these hotels are crazy but awesome and wants us to consider going there one day too. So that's the main idea I wrote on Monday, and some feedback I got from my teacher. Hi, Miss B. Nice job including the topic of the text and the author's point of view. But you are missing contextualized evidence. What specific examples from the text can you include to make your main idea stronger and contextualized? Let me go back and look up my main idea. Right, okay, so I do talk about the topic, but I didn't really include any specific examples from the text. No information about what the hotels were like, no quotes, nothing from the text itself. That makes sense. So what part of the CFS are you missing in your main idea? So the feedback said I was missing evidence, and I know that that would be this contextualized bubble. All right. So let me make this, I'm going to go with this blue color today. Contextualized. Missing evidence of the text. Okay, so now I know what would make my main idea stronger. Over here, I can now make my main idea stronger. So I can include those pieces that I was missing. Let me go back to the text and see what I want to include to support what I said the main idea is. All right, so I said in my main idea that it's all about extreme hotels, and I want to get some good examples of that. So let's see. This was the one in Peru. That's honestly crazy. It's like a hotel hanging off the side of a cliff. That's a pretty strong piece of evidence. Oh yeah, and this one under the sea. So I think I'm going to put one piece of evidence from the text in my own words. I'm going to paraphrase it, and then something else I want to include a quote. Let me talk about it in my own words first. So I'm going to start with some evidence, putting it in my own words. I'm going to say, we learned all about exotic hotels, such as a glass room hanging on the edge of a mountain, a hotel room under sea, swimming with the fish, and maybe one more example. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, let's talk about this one, in the trees of Sweden. We're up in the trees in Sweden. So now I'm providing some contextualized evidence about what actually happened in this text with specific examples from the text. But let me find now a really strong quote that proves what I'm trying to say. So another example that proves how extreme these hotels really are is this section here, right about this train car hotel in the tundra of Canada. So I just skimmed the paragraph quickly, and I really like this sentence right here. Adventurous bear watchers can stay at the Tundra Buggy Lodge, a hotel made up of connected train cars on the tundra. That is crazy and does not sound like normal hotels, so I want to include that piece of evidence as well to prove my main idea. All right, so people can also stay at the, what was it called again? Let's see. Tundra Buggy Lodge. Okay, at the Tundra Buggy Lodge. A hotel made up of connected train cars on the tundra. A hotel made up of connected train cars on the tundra, which is super extreme. Alright, so now here's what my main idea about. Let's take a look at what I originally had and what I'm adding. This text is all about many different exotic hotels we could go visit. We learn all about, down here now, exotic hotels such as glass room, hanging on the edge of a mountain, a hotel room under the sea swimming in the fish, or up in the trees in Sweden. People can also stay at the Tundra Buggy Lodge, a hotel made up of connected train cars on the tundra, which is super extreme. And back to my original main idea, the author thinks these hotels are crazy but awesome and wants us to consider going there one day too. So now my main idea is full. Going back to the CFS, it is accurate, it has contextualized evidence from the text, and the author's point of view, which is the deeper meaning. So now I've revised it to be as strong of a main idea as I can. So you guys are going to want to go now, find your name, find your main idea jot, find the feedback from your teacher, and figure out how can you make it stronger. And as always, please give me a call if you want to talk through something or if you have any questions. Thanks a lot. Can't wait to see these really strong main ideas. Nice job, guys.